Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Honda CRV front wiper blades. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface with the engine off. Gather your new wiper blades and a small flathead screwdriver. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. This prevents the arm from snapping back unexpectedly. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old wiper blade off the hook. It might require a little wiggle. Be very careful to hold the wiper arm securely so it doesn't accidentally snap back and hit your windshield, which could cause damage. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Slide the new wiper blade onto the wiper arm hook. You should hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. Double-check that the blade is properly seated and facing the correct direction. Finally, gently lower the entire wiper arm back onto your windshield, ensuring it rests flat. To complete the process, turn on your vehicle and test the new wiper blades with some windshield washer fluid. Make sure they clear the glass smoothly and quietly. For optimal performance and longevity, remember to regularly clean your wiper blades with a damp cloth. Also, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.